Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Menteri Keserka Jela ba Lyngdoh hak artrik unai wing arca apulai la pelaj Paidbah ya ke Phlim khasi kebala director uba kamki Lyngdoh bat uba Eliza Bare ya kebala ikerteng Nongshun hak jingalang kebala long ha ususutham auditorium Shillong hak jing pelaj Paidbah ya ke Phlim khasi ke bajrong kumbalai pominin bala produce da ke kong Suzan FCM na sakilang da kiting shop bat ki puran ringkat kebala syak khot skomha lembat ki Paidbah kebala wadman saki hak jing pen I ya ke Phlim hak ni sngi
the producer of this wonderful and really meaningful movie, Nongshun, our Commissioner and Secretary, Frederick Alcomar, the entire team that was behind Nongshun. It's a huge milestone for Meghalaya that more and more youngsters are coming forward to share, to contribute, and to meaningfully build the film industry in the state. We are yet to be a full-fledged industry, but we certainly are well on the way of developing one. And today, Meghalaya has not only interacted with other states of this country, but has gone global. We have huge ambitions, but as I've always said, teamwork works. Do not look at government and government alone as the sole determinant of the course of events. We need each one of you to participate, to contribute, and I'm very confident this year we've decided that we will be having our own theatres across all districts of the state. I'd like all of you to not only support us by clapping your hands, but also make sure that those hands come forward to actually come by way of suggestions, come by way of yourself applying for or facilitating the creation of these theatres. It's a huge matter of embarrassment to think that Shillong, which is the first bastion of administration in the Northeast, has yet to evolve as a film or a cultural capital of East India. Whereas you look at states like Manipur, which have been torn by many social and political issues, has today developed their own film industry and are producing hundreds of movies. So the challenge for all of us is to match our talent and our potential with what we can actually deliver and achieve on the ground. This is not an occasion for a long lecture, but let me heartily congratulate members of the cast, the producer, everybody who's been involved in the project. I'm sure that in 30 minutes of this brief movie, a lot of very relevant themes have been woven together to convey a particular message. And at this point of time, I would also like to share with you that the department is also very ambitiously trying to come up with a few projects. One that is immediate in our mind is a biopic on Uttirot Singh. I would like to solicit the support of each one of you. It's going to be a huge project, one on a global scale, and with the support, the goodwill, and also the willing participation and the tremendous talents that we have, I'm sure that we can reverse the trend, and Shillong should be, should be able to draw the kind of attention that we've not been able to do so far. Another Hasi movie is currently being screened at one of the local theatres, but the impediments and the challenges are far overbearing. Overcoming that would require us to take the lead, but for us to take the lead, it would also mean that the people of the state are hand in hand supporting the initiative. Our youngsters have all that it takes to go global, and it would be a sheer waste of talent and opportunity if we do not capitalize on what we have. So once again, congratulations to everybody who was part of Nongshun. I'm sure that such ventures in the very near future will not be just centers of attraction here within Meghalaya, but that we should be able to take the hobby, currently a hobby, a passion for filmmaking into a mega industry. Thank you, Pyllait, God bless.
So kemen haduk kata ba ngiyo support katu of course naduk ki chief guest baywani ba Paul antara kita ki officers na poka liang jong sarkaru bulawan man ai mensim langi tinga sungu syaki ding bro ki guest ki bulawan ti nang taru of course ki Paidbah hi mende ki badan hang tu ti long ka jing ai mensim ni kata ji so jua mentang apa laban digest bahai gini berkhoi tengah so kemen ba iki bon pe berkhoi ti ga dikit nanti jonga ko ba kini arts ni mentang ki pilih ne po so sang auditorium ti dikit nanti jing long ba ani shakmat ni kwa ruban ra ekani film shaki shnong ki district of course ki shnong be khamre dru ti ngi kwa ban le mi kwa ba bro ki briu ki jope ini ke film ki ban malang in enjoy lang ini ke film tiga message ki Paidbah ki bepe yang ini ka kubor lomba subhayawan cakap ni ka susu sam auditorium so ka singi balasai tak su singi pini hang ne ti ngimtip pat lalu ngi pini biang ti supaya ngi kerpa ki ba piniwan bat ngi guarantee ba finum regret.